We are sorry to interrupt your Rogers programming. This is a real emergency. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. The Weather Network has issued a blizzard warning for the whole province of Ontario until 2 in the morning Eastern Daylight Time, on January 4, 2008. At 1 in the afternoon Eastern Daylight Time, on December 31, 2007, the Weather Network has found 5 cold fronts colliding into each other, making a major blizzard heading for the province of Ontario from the northeast. This blizzard contains 2 meters of snow, winds that are in excess of 70 miles per hour, and some constant thunder. If you live in the province of Ontario, there are only 2 options: either drive or fly out of Ontario, out of the blizzard's path, or buy lots of supplies of food, generators, lots of winter clothes, and heaters. Repeating, the Weather Network has issued a blizzard warning for the province of Ontario until 2 in the morning Eastern Daylight Time on January 4, 2008. You have 24 hours to evacuate or buy supplies.